In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule calendar automations in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for project management and organizing tasks, and setting up calendar automations can significantly enhance productivity. Now, let's walk through the steps to get you automating your tasks in no time. First, you'll want to head over to Trello and go directly to your boards page. This is your central hub where you can see all the boards you have been working with. Once you're on this page, pick the board that you want to edit. Click on the board of your choice to proceed with setting up automations specifically for the tasks within it. When you have your board open, look around for a lightning bolt icon. This icon is your gateway to the automation section. Click on it and you'll see various automation options appear. From these options, select Rules to begin defining the types of automations you'd like to work with. Next, click on the Scheduled option. This is where we'll be focusing our automation efforts, as it allows us to specify actions based on a set schedule. After you've clicked on Scheduled, look for the option that says Create Automation. This is where you'll actually start constructing your automation rules. Now that you're in the automation creation section, you'll see an option to add a trigger. Click on plus Add Trigger. This step is crucial as it will define the conditions under which your automation will run. After adding a trigger, take a moment to select a schedule that suits your particular needs. There are several scheduling options available, so choose the one that aligns best with your workflow. After you've determined the schedule, hit the Add button. With your schedule set, the next step is to select the action linked to your trigger. You have various actions to choose from depending on what you want Trello to do automatically. In today's example, we'll use moving cards as our automation action. Click on the desired action to proceed. Having selected moving cards, remember to press Add once more. This tells Trello to remember the action you want to be performed during the scheduled time. Finally, confirm your settings by clicking Save. This ensures all the details you just entered are stored. Once everything is saved, simply click Close to exit the automation setup. And that's it. You've successfully set up a calendar automation in Trello that will run based on your predefined schedule. Using Trello automations helps streamline your tasks and keeps your projects moving forward smoothly. Automating routine actions frees up valuable time, allowing you to focus more on what matters. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital workspace.